how to delete photos on Messenger from both sides. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete photo on Messenger from both sides. So now without further ado, let's get started. But before starting anything, you must know that you can only delete photo from both sides only if you send the photo and you must delete it within the 10 minutes of sending. So with that, let's move forward to the process. So here first, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just open the chat that contains the photo that you want to delete. And now here, let's say that you have sent the photo just right here. And here, if you want to delete the photo, then what you can do is just tap and hold on that particular photo. And once you do that, a pop-up menu will appear at the bottom. So here you can just tap on the more option which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on delete. And after that, simply select delete again. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on delete for everyone. And now here, once you do that, the photo will disappear from both chats. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.